Hello judges, I am Chetna Jain representing Team OPAM for All. Today we are presenting AutoGrad AI, an AI-powered platform designed to build resilient automotive supply chain through risk predictions, supplier intelligence, demand forecasting, alternative resource recommendation, and AI-driven decision support. Let me walk you through our platform. So this is our decision. This is our dashboard. As you can see, your business inventory health, potential savings, total suppliers, and high risk suppliers on the dashboard. Our AI continuously analyzes supplier, logistic, and inventory data to generate actionable insights. Below you can see our demand forecasting agent. This predicts the future inventory requirements and demand fluctuation. The platform also continuously monitors the disruptions across the supply chain. So for that, it gives you the active alerts. Then to reduce the information overload, AutoGrad AI gives you an AI executive summary with projected savings, risk reduction, and lead time improvements. Moving forward, we have our suppliers page. Here, you can see the complete visibility into supplier performance and risk. For example, you can search supplier also, right? I have searched the Shanghai and it's showing that it's in a risk alert. You can also have a filter of the country, materials, all risk, and this is the total risk distribution. Moving forward, we have our risk engine. What the risk engine do is it's our core intelligence layer of AutoGrad AI. This module uses machine learning and supply chain intelligence signals to predict disruptions before they impact the production and business. The system tracks the average risk score, predicted disruptions, forecast accuracy, and the inventory health. The current threats include the Taiwan chip supply and Red Sea shipping delays and Vietnam capacity. Our ML risk predictor is showing that Shanghai Semitech is in the risky zone. Below you can see the stockout prediction, geopolitical risk, AI risk explanation also. Next is our recommendation system. This is the heart of our AutoGrad AI. Once a risk is identified, AutoGrad AI automatically generates a mitigation strategies. It tells you the risk reduced, cost saving, lead time saved, AI confidence. You can also generate the AI recommendations like I am generating it. And see, here it shows the alternative supply recommendation like the Shanghai Semitech, Battery Tech China. It also shows material substitution engine, executive action plan, and AI recommendation feed, which like it shows shift 40% sourcing from China to the Vietnam suppliers. Last but not the least, we have our AI Copilot engine. This allows decision makers to interact with the entire supply chain using natural language. Like we can analyze the Tesla supply chain risk factor, and we can ask our AutoGrad AI Copilot tell us what are the risks associated with the Tesla supply chain. So as you can see on the screen, it gave us an executive summary. You can also have a quick action like forecast demand, recommend suppliers, generate summary, etc. So that was our AutoGrad AI, which helps us to prevent the supply chain problem system, help the business grow, and make your supply chain inventory management easier. That was all for today. Thank you so much.